Namaste children. Children, in last class we have learned tens and ones. Tens and ones. It is a group of numbers we can call it as group of tens we can call it as tens and ones. We have separate the one so we can left the numbers that is called as ones. Okay. So after the ones and tens we can learn also another one concept is expanded form. Expanded. Expand means we enlarge the number. So Guruji ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟುದ್ದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉದ್ದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We know the tens and ones. You know that? Okay. Using the tens and ones, we can expand the number. We expand the number. So look at that here. I will give the one examples. 16, 26, 93, 68. These are the numbers. You know that. So you know the spellings. Okay. So we have understand the ones and tens. How it is the tens and ones? Okay. Here ones how many? 16. The first place. How many ones are there? Ones. One tens. So tens is how many? One tens. Okay. One tens. And so how many ones? How many ones are there? One tens and six ones. Six ones. So we can also call it as we should write 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6. Okay. 10 plus 6. We read the numerical form of the number. Numerical form. 10 plus 6. Okay. So you should write in the sentence 1 tens. So it is called as 1 tens plus 6 ones. Plus 6 ones. Now I will go for another one. 26. 26. We should write 26. So how many tens? 2 tens. And how many ones are there? 6 ones. 6 ones. Tell me the numerical form. Tell me the numerical form. 2 tens means what? 2 tens. How much? 20. 2 tens means 20. Then plus how many ones? 6 ones. 6 ones. Next one. 93 here. 93. How many tenses are there? 9 tens. First one. 9 tens. And how many ones are there? 3 ones. 3 ones. So we should write 9 tens. 9 tens plus 9 tens means 90. 9 tens means 90 plus 3 ones. Next 68. 6 tens and 8 ones. 8 ones. So we should write the numerical form 60 plus 8. Guruji, we should write any one? Yes. Guruji, idun bardu correct. Idun bardu correct. Idun bardu correct. Idun bardu correct. So this is called as sentence formation. This is called as numerical form. Okay. This is sentence formation madadu. Tens and ones anna express madadu. That is called a sentence statement formation. Then it is numerical form. Okay, so we have learned expanded form. Okay, after that expanded form will be given, we understand the expanded form. Okay, this is a short form. Guruji, what about this one? This is a short form. Okay, so using this expanded form, we should write the short form. Okay, keep it in mind. So one we have to find out. So expand form and short form, very important. So we understand short expand form to short form to expanded form. Then we can go for short form to expanded form. Okay, shall we go for now? I will go to the short long form to. Now students, look at the board. I have written expanded form. I have written expanded form. So some of the mains are given. So in the upside, what is that? Expanded form, numbers and number names. Number names means we should understand the expanded form, then we should write the numbers and then write the number name. You know that 65, you write the spellings are in writing words. Okay, so now here 5 tens and 3 ones. What is the 5 tens means what? 5 tens means 50, 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, and then 5 tens. So I'm already told 5 tens means what? 50. 50 plus 3. 50 plus 3. How much? 50, 51, 52, 53. 53. Now write the number. So we should write 5, 3, 53. So write the number name 53, 53. Then, so what about 3 tens means what? So how many tens I will taken? 3 tens. 3 tens means what? 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens. How much? 30. 30 plus how many ones are there? How many ones? 2, 8 ones are there. So I will take 8 ones. Okay, I will take 8 ones. Okay, I will take 8 ones. Okay, 30 plus 8, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So okay, 38. So we should write the number 38. Okay, so we should write the 38. 10's place is 3 and 8 place is 1. Okay, we should write 38. 38. So now go for another one, third one example. 8 tens and 5 ones. 8 tens and 5. 8 tens means what? 8 tens means 80. Then what about 5 ones? 8 tens plus 5 ones. 80 plus 5. 81, 82, 83, 84, and 85. 85. Next, 9 tens and 7 ones. 9 tens and 7 ones. 9 tens means 90. Okay, tens means we have multiplied 10 or it is complete the 10. Okay, so now, so 8 9 tens plus 7. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. So we should write 97. 97. 97. This is the answer. So okay, so like this you have to do for the examples to the given textbooks. Okay, ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು number names ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು with write the numbers also. Okay, now using the expanded form, write the, you compare the numbers, compare the given numbers. So I will show some examples to the given textbook, page number 72. Okay, so this is also a page number 72, and then I will compare the numbers. So expanded, using the expanded form, then compare the numbers. Okay, now I will go for the some of the examples. Okay students, now I have written the board. Put the sign, put the sign greater than, smaller than, or equal in the box, or equal in the box. So sometimes the values are equal, we should write the using the symbol. So if sometimes it is not equal, so we can using the greater than or smaller than, we can using that. So we can first, we have understand the write the short form. We have to write the short form. So we should write the short form using easily compare, easily compare the numbers. So how it is comparing the number? 5 tens and 2 ones. 5 tens and 2 ones. 3 tens and 9 ones. So okay, 5 tens and 2 ones means 5 tens plus 2 ones equal to what? 52. 50 plus 2, 52. Next one, 3 tens means what? 3 tens means 30 plus 9 equal to 39. So which one is greater? Compare the first digit, ones and this one. This number, first number we can compare. 5 and 3. Which one is greater? 5 is the greater. So when the greater number is there, we can open the bracket, open the number using the symbol open symbol. So open symbol, which one is? This is the open symbol. This side we can open that 39. This is the answer. So first we should write the expanded form, then we understand the numerical form we can write, and then we can easily understand the number. So now 4 tens and 7 ones. 4 tens means what? 40 plus 7 equal to what? 47. 47. 40 plus 7, 47. Next, 1 tenth means what? 10 plus 3 equal to 13. Which one is greater? Here 4, here 1, first number. Compare the first digit. Tens places are ones. Okay, for tens place we can compare. Here 4 and 1. Which one is greater? 4 is the greater. 4 is the greater. Next one. 2 tens and 2 ones. 2 tens and 2 ones. So which one is greater? Which one is greater? So we can look at that. 2 tens means 20 plus 2 ones. So what is your answer? 22. 22. 22. Next here. So I will wait. This is okay. Now I have changed the number. So 2 tens means 20 plus 2 ones means 2. We can adding the number 20 plus 2, 21 and 22. So we have get the answer 22. Next 0 tens means what? 0 tens means that is the value is 0. Okay. No, don't worry. 0 tens means 0. So now what about 4? 0 plus 4? The answer is 4. Which one is greater? So 22 and 4 is there. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? 22 is the greater. Next. So here 5 tens and 5 ones. 5 tens means 50 plus 5 ones means 55. Adding the number 50 plus 5, 55. 10 tens means what? So we can look at that. 5, 10 tens. 10 tens means what? 1 tens means 10, 2 tens means 20, 3 tens means 30, 5 tens means 50, 6 tens means 60, 9 tens means 90, 10 tens means 100. Which one is greater? The greater number is 100. 100 number is that is a greater. Okay. So this is a comparison of using the using the expanded form. Keep the mind using the comparison. Okay, students. So we have understand that tens and ones is very important. Is very important for the higher classes. Keep it mind. Okay, tens and ones. When you have to understand tens and ones. Now carry over addition without carry over, it is very easy. Okay, I hope all of you understand this today's concept. Okay, students. So exercise 72 page number and 73 exercise part will be there. You have to finish in the textbook. Okay, so today what I'm writing in the board, that is right in the CW. You have to must and should copy that. Okay, Dhanyavad students. Thank you so much.